Okay, so now it's sort of become a clockwork, right? Every week, Apple releases a new beta for iOS 16. Today, releasing iOS 16 Developer Beta 8, and this one comes a week after Beta 7. And as time progresses, as iOS 16 final developments come to an end here, the software updates get smaller. This time around, about 200 megabytes, give or take, depending on the iPhone that you're updating and the beta that you're updating from, as per usual. Now, in this video, I wanted to answer a few questions that you guys have been asking, and of course, give you some of the latest details in regard to the latest beta and how Apple is doing things just a little different. Now, as always, if you would like to stay up to date with the latest iOS news and Apple software updates, of course, don't forget to subscribe and turn on those notifications so that you don't miss another episode. And now, as you know, Apple usually updates iOS, iPadOS, watchOS, tvOS, and everything in between. When they release a new beta, however, it doesn't look like this is the case this time around. So far, as of the filming of this video, Apple has only released iOS 16 Developer Beta 8. No iPad update, no macOS update, no watchOS update, no tvOS update. So just keep that in mind. Something quite interesting. Now, this beta could probably just be some under the hood improvements and security patches before the RC or slash release candidate. Now, you guys always ask about iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 13 mini, iPhone 10R, and iPhone 11. Did this beta enable the battery percentage indicator? So let's go ahead and take a look here. This one is running the latest beta. By the way, for those of you that might be wondering, here is the latest build number, again indicating that we're close to the end here for final development. Now, this is the second build number back to back with the letter A towards the end of the build number. This is telling us, of course, that we're almost completed here with final development of the software. So let's take a look at the battery department here, and I have to share some bad news for you guys on iPhone 11. Unfortunately, we do not have the battery percentage indicator toggle on the battery section here as we do for other iPhones. Again, iPhone 11, iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 13 mini, and iPhone 10R. Unfortunately, it doesn't look like that feature will be enabled on these devices. We still have hope for the RC in order for Apple to enable this on these devices, but I wouldn't hold my breath. Unfortunately, it doesn't look like that's going to happen. Now, Apple is doing things a little different this year. In case you didn't know, iPadOS has already been delayed for later, maybe in October release alongside macOS due to some of the new features. But what's going to happen with iOS now that we do have beta 8? As you can see there, the software updates do get smaller over time. When can we expect the next beta and the official release? Now, in case you didn't know, Apple has made it official. iPhone 14 event will be held on September the 7th. So that's a little over 9 days as of the filming of this video, right? So a little over a week. And Apple will most likely be releasing on this day the RC or release candidate for iOS 16. So we can expect the RC sometime on the week of the 7th, on or after the event, and an official release date on the week of the 12th, with iPhone 14 release right around the corner after that. So I don't think we'll see any more betas. I think we'll just see the RC release candidate and then the official release. So the RC will most likely be coming next week on Apple's event. Of course, I'll be covering everything that Apple announces. We'll get iOS, iPadOS will be in October. tvOS will most likely be at the event. We'll also have watchOS and, of course, macOS later in October as well with iPadOS. So yeah, things are happening a little different this year. Minor update only for iOS today, most likely under the hood improvements and security patches. Thank you for watching this quick update, guys, on iOS 16 Developer Beta 8. Have a great day, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.